Hello and welcome to Dreamers Code, and this is our 11th video from HTML series, and in this video we'll learn about HTML images. So for images we'll use the img tag. So in img tag we have two attributes, that is src and alt, that is alternate text. So in src attribute we provide the path of our image, and in alt, that is alt attribute, we give the alternate text for our image. So we'll see this. So we have our image in this folder, that is pic. We have directly placed our image in the HTML tutorial folder. So we'll directly write the name of our image, that is pic1, and the extension is png. The format of our image is png, and we'll save this. So you can see we have got our image. Then next, for example, if there is some network error or due to some mistake our image is not displayed, then at that time the alternate text is displayed. So for example, we'll make some error here and we'll make it pic2, and now you can see the image is not displaying, and in that case the alternate text is displayed. So for example, we'll write image1 and let us save this. So now you can see the image is not displaying but the alternate text is displaying. So now we'll correct our image, the source. Now you can see the image is displayed. Then next we have also placed another image inside the images folder, and that name is pic2.png. So we'll provide the path to our image. So for that we'll write images / and pic2.png. So you can see the image. And if we make some mistake, for example, if we have written the wrong extension, so for example jpg, so now image will not be displayed but the alternate text will be displayed, that is image1. Now we'll make it 2, so you can see image2. So now we'll correct the extension, that is png, and you can see the image. So now we have seen both the ways, if the image is directly placed in the folder or if the image is placed in some different folder. Then next we'll see few attributes. So you can also set the width and height of the image with the help of height and width attribute. So for example, we'll take the height attribute and we'll write 250 pixels and we'll save this. So you can see, then we'll set the width, and width will be 250 pixels. So now you can see we can set the height and width. Then next we can also use the, now we'll copy this image and we'll save this. Now I'll remove this and we'll write pic1. Now we can also set the height and width with the help of style attribute. So I'll remove this and I'll write style, and inside the style attribute we'll set the height, and height will be 300 pixels, and then I'll set the width, and width also will be 300 pixels, and we'll save this. So now you can see the above image is 250 by 250 and the second image is 300 by 300. So these were the HTML images. So that's it guys for this lecture, and see you in the next one.